welcome to the Pink Lotus show. We are here at Beyond Gallery.
And this is happening for 2 days, that is today and tomorrow. Collection May, they have lovely options in bandage, some festive quad sets, casual quad sets, the beautiful collection of 3-piece suit sets if you're shopping for your wedding, trousseau, or if you're shopping for yourself. To complement all this, they have lovely options in jewelry as well. And yes ma'am, other details?
સો આપણી પાસે કફતાન સાડીઝ બંદેજમાં દુપટ્ટાસ બધી જ રેન્જ આપણી પાસે અવેલેબલ છે સો આઈ ડોન્ટ થિંક સો બીજે ક્યાંય જવાની જરૂર છે સો ઇટ્સ અ 2-day show at Beyond Gallery opposite ITC Narmada. 11 to 7:30 are the timings, and don't worry about your cars, we do have valet parking, so we are seeing you here.
Yes, and to see the collection now, swipe left.
Hello, this is Jill from Sherry Daga. So here we are with our new collection.
Okay.
So we have something with a different fabric now. It's a linen blend silk fabric.
Linen blend silk fabric, okay.
And we have something like this. Chanderi.
Okay, Chanderi per chapku.
Something in a handwork.
Okay, handwork. Alright,
Something in a 2 pieces.
lovely. Options in 2 pieces.
We have this kind of cord sets as well.
Okay,
Easy breezy,
quad sets
comfortable
as well.
for the girls. Something like this.
Okay,
And something in a 3-piece dupatta dresses. It is a
Okay.
pure mal chanderi dupatta.
alright.
Then we have something
Lovely.
sidewalk.
Look at that.
Have even casuals as well.
Alright.
Something with the Bandi collection.
Okay, that is very pretty. If you also want something very beautiful yet very very unique, this is the right stall for you. This is Swarnamukh and they are here with their beautiful jewelry that is outstanding, beautiful and unique. Look at the different shapes as well as shades that are available. Very pretty. I'll show you a few of my personal favorites as well. Look at this one. Also they have Evil Eye and they have shades available in that. They have something very dramatic here also. Look at this one, also quite trending, Pinterest worthy earrings. If you like stone jewelry, then they have something very similar to that as well. Look at this, black as well, very very pretty. And they have some neck pieces also. They have lovely options in these standout bracelets, lot of kada options, earrings, some brass jewelry as well. Look at that, isn't it beautiful? This is brand Divine Drape અને એ લઈને આવ્યા છે બહુ જ સુંદર. Look at this, these are all dupattas, bandage dupattas, very very pretty. Shades એમની પાસે બહુ જ બધા છે, color options બહુ બધા છે. Look at that, perfect for festive, wedding. If you want to gift somebody, ombre options are also available. Look at that, very pretty Rani pink. Okay, so these are all dupattas, something જે મેમે પણ પહેર્યું છે. Look at that. So ये બધા options, color options available છે. Very pretty.
This is Gaji silk checks
Gaji silk checks માં.
dupatta.
Okay, dupatta option.
Yes. And this is all our sarees.
Okay, અને આ આખો સાડીનો સેક્શન છે. Very pretty. Okay, એમાં બી તમને બહુ જ બધા કલર ઓપ્શન્સ જોવા મળશે.
Dry bandage.
Dry bandage. Okay.
Meenakari.
મીનાકારી
Pure
છે.
georgette.
Pure georgette bee options are available. Very
Hello, good morning. So the brand name is Ananta Creations. They have beautiful collection in kaftans. Sizes મળી જશે. These are 2-piece sets. મોડલમાં બી છે. This is only top. Something like this.
Okay.
Something like this. પછી મોડલમાં ઓપ્શન્સ છે. આટલા બધા કલર્સ બી છે. સાઇઝીસ બી છે.
Alright.
Something like this.
Look at that. Very pretty.
Breathable. શોર્ટમાં પણ છે, લોંગમાં પણ છે. ડ્રેસીસ લાઈક ઉત્તરાયણમાં તમારે પહેરવા હોય.
Right, right, right.
So,
Easy breezy
yeah.
ekdam, yet very very stylish.
Right.
Okay. Alright.
They have 3-piece sets as well.
Okay.
Something like this.
Very pretty. Lovely. Look at that.
આમાં પણ sizes મળી જશે. So
Okay.
not to worry about that.
Color options bhi છે એમની પાસે.
અમુકમાં છે, yes.
Special Uttarayan offer, 10% off on the entire collection. This is brand Ananta Creations. They have lovely options of jewelry, from earrings. They have options in Bugardi as well. Look at the unique patterns that they have. They also have lovely options in rings as well. If you want statement rings, if you want simple rings, and any sate, they have lovely options in these bridal set also. Look at the collection that they have. Beautiful options, something like this. Also, let me show you some of their fusion western collection. So if you like something from this, definitely come down and shop, because 10% off on the entire collection. If you want fusion, western, heritage, stone, something in beautiful Hasleys, they have it all. Just look at that. Beautiful moissanite hai, polki hai, heritage hai, you name it, and they have it all. This is brand Ananta Creations for you.